and A Day for Eeyore. Catch them before they disappear. Rated G.
Now showing at selected area theaters. Consult newspaper directory for a theater near you. Ever thought of becoming a big sister? Call today.
These messages.
All aboard!
Wait for me.
A porcupine. On my train. And with a popping suitcase.
I'm Poppy, and those are my sugar corn pops. They're just popping with crunchy sweet taste. You can try them.
Well, if it doesn't take too long.
Kellogg's Sugar Corn Pop cereal, a popping good part of this nutritious breakfast.
Delicious. Poppy, I wouldn't miss these for anything.
Even for our train?
Even for my train.
He-Man. Who's the big guy with the muscles?
He's He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe. Skeletor is his enemy.
He-Man.
Here's He-Man, Skeletor, and Castle Grayskull. You have to put the castle together.
You're doomed, He-Man.
Oh, yeah? Watch this action, Dad. Now I have the power.
He-Man and Skeletor each sold separately. Castle Grayskull also sold separately from the Masters of the Universe collection from Mattel.
We now return with Scooby-Doo. Secret agent excitement aboard the Istanbul Express on the Puppy's New Adventures. Following Scooby-Doo. We'll return after these messages.
Let's have a Play-Doh party! Yeah! A shooting star.
You can make all sorts of great things with a Play-Doh Fun Factory.
I made spaghetti.
And now you can get a Frogger Fun Kit free when you buy a Fun Factory in specially marked packages. It's got a Frogger poster, decals, T-shirt iron-on, puzzles and games while supplies last. The Play-Doh Fun Factory toy comes with everything you see here. From Kenner.
There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one. There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one. Lemonade, apple, orange, fruit punch, new grape. It's Capri Sun.
Capri Sun fruit drink in the take-along pouch. 10% fruit juice, nothing artificial.
There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one.
There's only one Capri Sun.
Hey, Keebler, how's the old elfin magic?
Oh, pretty good.
The old fudge on one side trick, huh? Wow, stripes!
Yes, sir. We're making our fudge stripe cookies. We take crisp shortbread cookies, cover them with rich fudge on one side, and fudge stripes on the other side.
Unbelievable! I always wanted to know how you elves got the stripes on your fudge stripe cookies, and I still don't know.
Keebler fudge stripes, fudge sticks, and deluxe grahams.
Bang, bang, bang. Oh, howdy, partner. Time for timer. Do you ever get that hungry feeling after school? Boy, I do. I'm so hungry, I could eat a wagon wheel.
When I'm slow on the draw and I need something to chaw, I hanker for a hunk of cheese. When my 10-gallon hat's a feeling 5 gallons flat, I got something planned, which is little cheese sandwiches. Come on! Here's a great little snack to tide you over till dinner. If you want something delicious and nutritious, cheese is a super snack. Look, a wagon wheel. When my get up and go has got up and went, I hanker for a hunk of cheese. When I'm dancing a hold down and my boots kind of slow down, or anytime I'm weak in the knees, I hanker for a hunk of, a slab or slice a chunk of, a snacker that is a winner, and yet won't spoil my dinner. I hanker for a hunk of cheese. Yahoo!
We now continue with Scooby-Doo. We'll return after these messages.
Today we'll have a ball at breakfast with my delicious cereal.
Count Chocula.
Ah, music to my ears.
Delicious chocolatey flavor and tasty marshmallows.
Step aside, Count Clumsy, while I cut in with my ever so scrumptious Frankenberry. My strawberry-flavored cereal with tasty marshmallows.
It's a real hit.
Count Chocula.
Frankenberry.
You can enjoy this good, nutritious breakfast with
Frankenberry. Count Chocula.
Tidal wave? Big soft liquid center bubble? Big burst of flavor inside. Hey, Chief, you know why it's called tidal wave?
Tidal Wave bubblegum. It's a flash flood of flavor from the very first bite.
This is ABC.
Smile, America, say Chuck E. Cheese. Get a taste of Pizza Time Theater, say Chuck E. Cheese. Food and games and all kinds of creatures. For a taste of Pizza Time Theater, you can smile, America. Smile, America. Smile, 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 America, say Chuck E. Cheese.
The stars come out this weekend for Easter seals. Don't miss it.
Thanks, Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Thanks, Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Thanks, Easter Bunny.
All the world loves M&M's. They're pure milk chocolate joy in a candy shell for everyone.
M&M's chocolate candies. The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Thanks, Easter Bunny.
Belt Racer. You can take a racetrack wherever you go.
Belt Racer can go wherever you go. It's a belt that doubles as a racetrack. By using the spring-loaded buckle launcher, you can send the race car speeding down the belt track. Each Belt Racer sold separately.
Belt Racer. You can take a racetrack wherever you go.
Belt Racer comes with everything you see here, each sold separately. New from Crusan.
We now return with the Puppy's New Adventure.
It was really exciting. We were all moving overseas. My boy Tommy, his family, even Dolly and me. I'm Petey, the puppy. But the fun didn't last for long. We met with a storm at sea and 3 stowaways. Old pals through my days to stray.
Hiya, Petey.
It's Dash, Duke, and Lucky.
Hang on, pup. I am a-coming.
We were saved. The ship with my boy aboard was leaving us behind. They didn't see what happened to us. I'll never see my boy again.
Says who, kiddo? We'll help you find him no matter what.
And so began a search that would take Petey to every corner of the globe. The Puppy's New Adventure. We'll return after these messages.
Let's shop, Glamour Gals.
They've got flair, sparkling jewelry, gorgeous hair.
Time for different outfits and jewelry.
Lonnie and Carefree Cowgirl and Fancy Dancer. Shara and Simply Sparkling and Baby Blue, all sold separately.
Elegant earrings, Shara. Gorgeous belt buckle, Lonnie. Don't we sparkle?
You love the fun of the more than one of these little glamour gals.
Lonnie and Fancy Dancer and dolls and other outfits, each sold separately. From Kenner.
Hey, kid, what can I get you?
Yum.
What's that? You want gum?
Yum.
You like bubble yum? Yeah? Says here, super yum. Must be new, huh? Bubble yum, huh? Looks good. Think I'll try a piece. What's this again?
Yum.
Bubble Yum Bubble Gum. Now in strawberry, a new Super Yum flavor.
Thank you.
Long ago, in a galaxy far away, the Star Wars saga began, and Kenner continues the excitement.
We must capture Luke Skywalker.
Zuckuss, Imperial TIE Fighter pilot, AT-AT Commander, and Hoth Luke Skywalker, each sold separately.
Those guys don't give up.
Which way now, AT-AT Commander? He must be in here. We've got you now, Skywalker. Shoes on the other foot. I've got you.
Zuckuss, AT-AT Commander, and other action figures each sold separately from Kenner's Star Wars Return of the Jedi collection.
Somewhere, out there, someone needs high-class Hudson's earning lessons for people. When Jenny Milligan wanted to earn some money, she tried doing some of the jobs her friends liked. But babysitting frazzled her. Mowing lawns was an uphill battle, and she was allergic to weeding.
High-class Hudson.
To find a job you really like to do something you really like.
Huh?
Make a list of all the things you enjoy, things you're good at, hobbies you like, even if some of them seem a little far out. Then see if you can spot some ways to earn money in your list.
I'm a good swimmer.
Why not become qualified to teach swimming to younger kids?
Art is my hobby.
Advertise a painting service, mailboxes, fences, T-shirts.
I get it. Turn something you like to do into a job you really like.
You're right on the money.
I like dogs. Jenny's Dog Walking Service. Your pet is my project.
We now continue with the puppy's new adventures. And now, these messages.
There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one. There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one. Lemonade, apple, orange, fruit punch, new grape is Capri Sun.
Capri Sun fruit drink in the take-along pouch. 10% fruit juice, nothing artificial.
There's only one Capri Sun. It's great tasting fun when you punch open one.
There's only one Capri Sun.
Boom, 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 Nerf Boomerang. Boom, 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 Nerf Boomerang. Nerf Boomerang, Nerf Boomerang.
Easy throwing high or low. It comes back with each good throw.
Boomerang.
You can throw it by yourself or throw it with some friends. Nerf Boomerang is safe, soft fun that never ends.
Nerf Boomerang.
Nerf Boomerang from Parker Brothers.
Tomorrow, a chilling meeting with Dracula's real-life counterpart and an eerie trip into the center of a tornado on Ripley's Believe It or Not. Wednesday, a history teacher in a daring experiment recreates the Nazi youth movement to warn that it could happen again. The Wave, an ABC after-school special. Stay tuned as a circus owner plans to kidnap Doing to make money for the big top. And Laverne and Shirley chase a thief who's stolen the Fonz's souped-up car and the Army payroll on the Mork and Mindy Laverne and Shirley Fonz Hour. Following Schoolhouse Rock, next on ABC.